Hello everyone, welcome to Data in Nutshell. In this video, we are going to learn how to use CountIF and CountIF's function. It can be used in Google Sheets and Excel in the same way. This is a dummy data of a retail store transactions. And let's see how to apply CountIF and CountIF's formula on this data set. So this is our first condition where customer type column is equals to individual. So let's apply it equals to CountIF and then select the column where your data is present and then freeze the range, comma, and then in double quotes, write that word individual and bracket and enter. And you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rows which have individual in it in customer type column. Similarly, if you have multiple conditions, then you can use CountIF's formula where you will find an extra S in this at the end. CountIFs, and the condition is customer type is individual, select the range where to find, freeze, comma, individual, comma, then product category equals to furniture. Product category column is this, select the column, freeze it, comma, and then write furniture, double quotes, comma, and then unit price is greater than 200. Unit price column is this, freeze the column, comma, then double quotes, greater 200 and double quotes and bracket. So you can see that we have a range, then what to find, where to find, what to find, where to find, and what to find. And this formula, you can add multiple conditions and count accordingly. Enter, and you will get 1. For example, if it is only 200, then just remove this sign greater than, then it will find as equals to 200, right? So individual, furniture, and 200. Okay, then 200 is here. Individual, furniture, and 200. That's why it is only showing one entry. In case if you want to count condition where it is not equals to 200, then in that case, then you have to put these two symbols, less than and greater than symbol, and 200. This means not equals to, without this means equals to, this is greater than, this is less than 200, and accordingly it will count. The syntax of this formula is same in Microsoft Excel as well as in Google Sheets. I hope this will definitely increase your productivity. Thanks for watching.